Welcome everyone, it's Dara. Let's discuss a bit about the US and China trade war. Recently, US have been putting license on chip manufacturing and chip products to China. China will be getting less chips from them to their supply chain and their manufacturing into technologies, advanced technologies. Why did US did it? Right, let's talk about this. Donald Trump believed that China is a big enemy for the technology industry. He believed that whatever China is doing is using their chips in the US, right, manufactured in the China, and somehow make a competitive advantage between the US. And I would say, yeah, that is a good view, right, for the US. US may benefit for this, right, from this in the short term. In the long term, however, we can see a drastic change to US. Remember, Donald Trump believed that this is a good thing, right? US can now have its own way, its own pathway to technology domination around the world. However, this can also affect the supply chain. I'm talking NVIDIA, AMD, other companies that have been linking between US and China, right? They helping to supply these chips, this product to make the world a better place. And if US decided to, hey, let's just ban it from China, I don't believe that this will help the world at all, and China would have a supply chain problem. That's why I believe that currently what is Xi Jinping doing between China and Asia country is a good thing. He tried to improve the supply chain in order to keep tracks on how China can improve its manufacturing industries by looking at the raw material and somehow make a good investment during his visit to three countries as well. Hopefully, in the future, US would be open about their chips, right? We need to see a world with good technologies around themselves. US should be open and say, hey, we are open to all of the chips and technologies to be used to your country. We want the world to be in a better place. The supply chain should be mattered and considered by the US. And it's really, really important for everyone.